हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं जा रही हूँ पेरिस से ब्रूज फ्लिक्स बस से। और ब्रूज है बेल्जियम में। मेरे लगेज के साथ बहुत लंबी वॉक के साथ मैं फाइनली बस में बैठ गई हूँ गाइस, एंड इट वाज सो टायरिंग एंड नाउ आई हैव अ 4 hour जर्नी टू गो। फ्लिक्स bus is nice. It's cheap, affordable, and it has free Wi-Fi. So the journey seems to be a windmill and some greenery and some cute little houses. सो गाइस, मैं गई थी पेरिस घूमने। तो मैंने सोचा क्योंकि बेल्जियम एक नेबरिंग कंट्री है तो क्यों ना बेल्जियम एक्सप्लोर किया जाए। So I checked on Google and everything. I researched about Bruges. Bruges is a fairy tale city. It's also a historic city in Belgium, and it's 4 hours from bus from Paris. और मैं गई थी फ्लिक्स बस से, जो कि पड़ी थी मुझे वन वे €4 because बेल्जियम के बाद आई एम फ्लाइंग बैक टू माई होम इंडिया. So I thought to take a trip to, Bruges. I've heard that it's like really, really beautiful. So let's see. So guys, I have finally reached Bruges Central Station. So the station and the bus station, train station and bus station are on the same side, or it's on the same place. And like me, even I'm running late and my battery is running late. So I'll probably make the videos tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It's such a beautiful morning. Right now it's 10:30 a.m. and I'm out going to explore this fairy tale town by walk, and it's already so beautiful. So my first stop is the Basilica of Holy Blood. It's a church and it's a nice pilgrimage site to visit. It's free of cost. So now I'm exploring the beautiful city. So as you can see, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी boats हैं, and boating के charges around €10 हैं, which is around 950 rupees. So guys, temperature कम होने की वजह से 1 degree होने की वजह से boating बंद थी. So now I'm at the old town Bruges, and it's so beautiful. There are so many cafe stores here.
De middeleeuwen. Welkom in het historium. Oh yay, dear visitors.
A perfect site for taking some great photos, sitting and relaxing. Beautiful. सो गाइस, पूरा टूर करके मैं आ गई हूँ स्वान लेक मिन वाटर पार्क, जिसे कहते हैं लेक ऑफ लव भी, एंड इट्स रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ पे आप स्वान की एक्टिविटीज़ देख सकते हैं, एंड इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल साइट. इट्स ऑल्सो अ रोमांटिक प्लेस फॉर कपल्स. ब्रूज को सिटी ऑफ लव भी कहा जाता है, एंड ये जो लेक है ये एक यंग वुमन के नाम पे रखा गया था हु फेल इन लव विद अ सोल्जर इन द नेबरिंग कंट्री. And this lake is really beautiful. As far as the place is concerned, it's also very beautiful. You can have a good swan watching experience here, a good beautiful sight, good for photography, and बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत ही मेमोरेबल है ये. सो गाइस, सिटी टूर ब्रूज का करने के लिए आपको कम से कम 4 से 5 घंटे चाहिए, एंड यहाँ पे कोई बस वगैरह नहीं चलती है. सो यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर द सिटी बाय फुट, एंड इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट unexplored hidden gem I have seen in my all travel history till now, and I will definitely come back here. सो गाइस, सनसेट होने वाला है, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बिकम मोर गॉर्जियस क्योंकि पूरी सिटी में लाइट्स जल गई हैं. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सिट फॉर अ वाइल एंड enjoy sunset. with this beautiful swan lake, and the views are gorgeous. The sunset views are just gorgeous. It's so beautiful. So, guys, my day comes to an end here. And tomorrow I'm going to Ghent. It's a city 45 minutes away from Bruges, and I'm going by train tomorrow. So, I will go back to my hotel now. Good morning. I'm on my way to Ghent, and my train ticket costed me around 9 euros return ticket for a day, and it's 45 minutes train trip. This is the biggest park in Ghent, and it's also a shortcut to the city. Oh, I see a lot of people doing, exercise and yoga in the park. Oh, that's amazing. Well, it's quite a sunny day today, and I'm exploring the city. Beautiful small houses here. It's quite unique. That's the old town. I think old town हर जगह है यूरोप में हर city में there is one old town which has a lot of stores, cafes, some kind of sites to explore, and it's quite interesting too. So that's a Catholic church in Ghent, and if you want to lit the candle you just need to pay 1 euros, and you can just uh, take that candle and put it, pray. So yeah, it was a nice experience. So it's cloudy, and yeah, I mean Ghent also has a canal bridge, of course not like Bruges, but it's also a nice, peaceful, and very quiet city. I was walking since 3 hours, so I've just taken a tram and I'm going back to the train station to go to Bruges. So, coffee, the best part of Europe, and I'm so hungry right now. So, guys, I'm going to Bruges a bit early because I didn't really like it much. There's a lot of problem from for vegetarian people like me. Food is a big problem, and also speaking English is also a problem because that area is mostly Dutch speaking. So now I will just do some shopping in Bruges. I'll buy a few things from the supermarket, and it's my last day today, as tomorrow I'm going back to Paris, and then I will take a flight way back home to India. And Bruges was the best part of my trip here. So I'm at the Carrefour supermarket. It's just outside the Bruges train station, and this market has everything at good prices. So you can buy grocery, beauty products, electronic items, snacks, some ready to eats, uh, and a lot more of the things. So yeah, must go. Guys, my trip comes to an end, and that's the must have in Belgium, the Atlas. here, and the second is the waffle because the waffle is originated from Belgium and must have. I hope you like my vlog. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.